my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you permission settings marking warn you when website try to install add-ons in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, go to this and also go to the three bar icons that I can enter these things and press the settings option. So now we will go to the privacy and security as because we will work this session. So which session? So in scrolling in below side, so this thing warn you when website try to install add on. So we want to click this. So in way we can do this the things the warn you when website try to install and add on. So in this way we can do solve our problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.